United Airlines operates out of several U.S. mainland hubs and has the most comprehensive route network among North American carriers. United Airlines and its regional carriers transport people and cargo across 6 continents with hubs at major business and population centers, such as Chicago O'Hare International Airport, Denver International Airport, George Bush Intercontinental Airport, Los Angeles International Airport, Newark Liberty International Airport, San Francisco International Airport, Washington Dulles International Airport. The hub-and-spoke system facilitates frequent service between a large number of destinations and allows for the addition of new routes from multiple cities using only one or few aircraft. United is part of Star Alliance, the world's largest alliance network, and aims to increase customer choice through its United Next growth plan by offering diverse products and expanding its global network. The company has also increased its employee headcount, improved in-flight amenities, partnered with SpaceX for Starlink's Wi-Fi service on flights, and made significant technology updates. The company relies on a regional flight network. Regional carriers such as Commute Air, GoJet, Mesa Airlines, Republic Airways, and SkyWest operate under capacity purchase agreements, CPAs, contracted to United. The company pays these carriers fees based on specific rates and operating statistics, fixed monthly amounts, and assumes all fuel costs and other expenses. In some cases, the company owns aircraft subject to the CPA, leasing them to the regional carrier. These carriers exclusively serve United's routes, follow schedules set by the company, and are managed in terms of pricing, revenue management, inventory and distribution risk, as well as mileage accrual and redemption through Mileage Plus loyalty program. United Airlines is a member of the Star Alliance, which operates in over 195 countries and territories with more than 17,000 average daily departures. United also has bilateral commercial alliance agreements with various airlines, including Aer Lingus, Air Dolomiti, Airlink, Azul Linhas, Aéreas Brasileiras, Cape Air, Discover Airlines, Emirates, Eurowings, Fly Dubai, Hawaiian Airlines, Jet SweetX, Olympic Air, Silver Airways, and Virgin Australia Airlines. The airline participates in 4 passenger joint business arrangements with airlines such as Air Canada, Lufthansa Group, ANA, Air New Zealand, and Air Canada. United also has a loyalty program called Mileage Plus, which allows customers to earn miles for flights on multiple airlines, including United, and redeem them for free or discounted travel, upgrades, and other awards. The company provides air cargo transportation services for commercial businesses, freight forwarders, logistics firms, and national postal services through their global network. Revenue is generated from cargo capacity on scheduled passenger flights, interline and charter flights, and ground trucking arrangements. The airline's seat inventory and fares are distributed through direct channels, traditional travel agencies, online travel agencies, and GDS. They aim to decommoditize their services, better present their content, make more targeted offerings, improve customer retention, enhance brand image, and lower ticket distribution costs. Additionally, the company generates third-party business revenue from maintenance services, non-travel redemptions from frequent flyer awards, Flight Academy, and ground handling services. The domestic airline industry is highly competitive with direct or indirect competition from other carriers. Pricing decisions are influenced by cost structures and the need to remain competitive with discounted fares. Internationally, the company faces competition not only from U.S. airlines but also foreign carriers, influenced by mergers, acquisitions, alliances, restructurings, liberalized aviation bilateral agreements, and new services. Seasonal fluctuations impact air travel demand, with higher demand in second and third quarters and lower demand in first and fourth quarters. For more on United and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.